always believe that think big, dream big, believe big, and the result will be big. Today, let us begin with a simple topic, that is simple microscope. A simple microscope is an instrument where we use single lens of magnification. This can be differentiated from the compound microscope, where in compound microscope we use several lenses to enhance the magnification of an object. It uses a lens to enlarge an object through angular magnification alone, giving the viewer an erect, enlarged virtual image. The use of a single convex lens or group of lenses is found in a simple magnification device, such as magnifying glasses, loupes, and eyepieces of telescope and microscopes. It is actually a convex lens of small focal length which is used for seeing the magnified image of small objects. The principle behind simple microscope is very simple. A simple microscope works on the principle that when a tiny object is placed within its focus, a virtual, erect, and magnified image of the object is formed at the distance of distinct vision from the eye, held close to lens. These are the simple microscopes. Now let's study about its instrumentation. What all are the parts of the microscope? We'll study about it. First we have angular lens. It is also called as eyepiece, through which we are going to see the specimen. Then we have body of the tube. Body of the tube is from eyepiece. It is connected to the lens. Then we have a revolving nose piece where 3 lenses are connected. We have 4x, 10x and 40x. Then we have arm where the body of the microscope is connected. Base of the microscope is connected from the head of the microscope. Then we have objectives. Objectives is nothing but the lenses. Then stage where the specimen is kept. Then the stage clips. Stage clips are used to hold the slide on which the specimen is kept. Then the diaphragm, the base lens through which the light or the sunlight is focused through the specimen. Then we have light source. Instead of light source, we can also use a mirror which imparts sunlight. Then we have base of the microscope. Then the parts of simple microscope, we have 2 parts, mechanical and optical. In mechanical we have metal stand, that is the whole body of the microscope. And then we have the stage where the specimen is kept. Then we have the optical parts, those are mirror used to impart the light through the specimen and lens to focus. Then the application of simple microscope are very easy, simple, that it is used to observe algae, fungi and biological specimens. It can be used by watchmaker to see the magnified view of the small parts of the watch. It is even used by jewelers to view through the fine parts of the jewelry. Then it is used in the enlargement image of letters of a book, textures of fiber, or threads of the cloth. Then magnified view of different particles of different types of soil. Even soil has its own importance. The microorganisms that are playing important role in the soil are observed through microscope. Then we have pyramids using microscope to view the fine lines on our hand. Thank you for your precious time. Have a good day. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment box.